I'm going to talk about these cotton picking keychains. I bet I've gone through, this year alone, I've gone through 4, and it's all because these chains break. And I can't find one that's got the closed loop in it that'll go on your belt. I always find these ones that's got the hook on there, and of course the more you use it, the more it loses its tension, and then of course then it slips off your belt. So I've been looking everywhere, and now I decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a broken one, going to take it apart. I'm going to glue this one inside of it because it has a wire. This one should last a heck of a lot longer. Even if I can get a year out of it, I'll be happy. Now if you do take one of these apart, make sure it doesn't have tension on it, because there's a coil spring in there, and boy howdy, it's like a cotton picking razor blade when it comes flying out of there. It'll cut anything it touches on its way to the ceiling. So be very careful. This one over here, the chain's already broke on it. I've got about 4 or 5 of these things laying around. Anyway, so we shouldn't have any trouble with this one. And then of course we want to throw, now it's still got a little tension on it. Put something over the top of it and get it out of there. And just throw this thing away. Don't even fool with it. Alright, we've got the part we want. On the little one here, we got to figure out how to get rid of this thing. I'm assuming that screw comes out, and this should slip off, and hopefully it doesn't unenergize the spring. Well, I don't know if that screw has anything to do with anything or not. I think I'll get me a real small washer and put over that. All right. Yeah, that screw probably holds this case together. Now it should be fine. All right, now we're going to make sure that this is right over the top of it, so there won't be any chance of this thing getting cut somewhere else. I'm going to use this polyurethane sealant. This is an oil base, so you want to definitely make sure you're wearing gloves. You don't want to get this stuff on you. Okay, we blew the side out of it. Now we can put it in our... Find something to smear it in there now. Yeah, there we go. Oh heck, this thing's brass, what do you know? Alright, stick this thing in there, make sure I get... Good thing I saw this. Came out from that hole there. So I need to clean that out, which is going to be a big mess, but now's the time to do it because that'd be so hard to clean up when it's dry. Well, I got this keychain fixed. I got it on here, glued in. The only thing, just like all the others, you got too many keys on there. You have to remember to pick it up and pull it back in there, but other than that, works great. Been using it for a few days, haven't had any problems with it, so if that's what you need to do, then good luck.